Residents of Salt Marsh near the St. James-Trelawney border are livid this evening due to the lack of water in their community. For the past 6 months, they staged a protest to vent their frustration. Andrea Chisholm reports.
No, it's not a landslide. These big boulders used to block the Salt Marsh Main Road were to send a big message to the authorities.
We want water! Water is life! Water.
Even this dog stood in solidarity. Others cautiously maneuvered the obstacles. Minutes later, the Trelawney police were on location having a talk with one protester and maintaining the peace. Residents seemed calm on the outside, but on the inside, a raging inferno.
For the past 6 months, I have to be purchasing water, and I'm still being billed from the water commissioner. They tell me that they're billing me for service. So I ask them, what service? We don't have any water from the 29th of October. We don't have any water. And I have to be spending at least $3,000 a week for water. And it's ridiculous. I'm not working now. They expect me to be paying for the meter that's not running and no water.
We had good water supply until the hurricane came and disrupted the pipeline from Davis Pen down to Salt Marsh. Right? We've been given promises. Right? The Water Commission personnel did come and start work, but all of a sudden they disappeared. So still, as we speak, there's no water in the pipe.
Because of the protest, less than 20% of students turned up for school at Salt Marsh Primary. That school is now dependent on trucked water from the National Water Commission, NWC. Speaking of the NWC, what has been their response?
Water Commissioner said they can't afford the pipe. That is not right.
But in a release on Monday, the NWC said even before the hurricane, there were issues with the pipeline for the Martha Brae Salt Marsh area. After Hurricane Melissa, 3 kilometers of pipeline infrastructure were significantly impacted, leading to the need for extensive repairs. Work on the affected pipeline in sections of Salt Marsh is now progressing steadily. NWC says work is approximately 30% complete. Some people should get water next month, as phased restoration is scheduled to begin on May 15. In the interim, water will be trucked to the area. Regarding reports of customers without water being billed, NWC says investigations have begun and affected customers should contact the entity. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.